In this video, we will see how to calibrate the DJI Ronin. This video will be made with the RS4, but it's pretty much the same principle with all of the model. So, first thing first, you put your camera on here. And, well, that's the most important part. You're gonna buy something that it's called a newer C009 or something like this. CA009. I will leave the link in the description if you want to order it. And this will make that once it's calibrate and you leave that plate here, well, you can simply put your camera and you don't have to recalibrate everything every time because it's not exactly at the same place. Huge improvement. Then power on your DJI Ronin by pressing and holding the power button. If it's the first time you power it on, you will see on this little screen here that probably that you have a red camera, meaning that your motor, if you click on it, you'll see where does it have a problem because it's not well balanced. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press the power button, just a little click, so everything will lock. Then you see on top here, there is a little lock that you can remove. And the idea is that you wanna adjust it a way that it, see, actually it's not moving. Now it's moving a little bit. You wanna find a position where it is stable. Here, there is two things that you can modify. There is this little one on the side that if you unscrew it, no, it's this one here, you can move that plate. You see now it's really not balanced. It's still not balanced. It's still not balanced. Oh, now it goes on the other side, so I'm close. Oh, yeah, I can use it just like that. That's what it is for. So now let it remain like that. It's all right. Great. So you can lock it. You can also adjust the height of this plate. That will change everything also. So if I move it too high, and this one might be a bit more harder to move, you see it will be the same principle. Now it fall. So I'm gonna bring it back down here and lock it back to the same place. Other side. And nope, you see that's too high probably. But take a bit of patience. But usually once you've done it, if you don't change your lens and everything, you should be good to go for a while. So you see now, I'm not entirely satisfied with it. I will move it again with this one. That might solve my issue. Yep, that seems fine, but still, want to move it again. I would have something decent over here. So lock everything in place. Now it's not good. I'm just gonna move that one a bit. That's fine. Lock it. So once this is made, you can unlock this other one here on the side. And here you want to balance this movement. So now it come back to the center every time. So that's great. Otherwise, just let me see that reading here. I'm gonna try to put it back at the same place. you unlock it over here and you can move it into those direction. So you see that if I go at this other end, oh, now it's locked, it just fall. So that's not what we want. So you place it back, now it falls on the other side, bring it back. This one seems to be a bit easier. See, now it remains like that. Go back to the center, go back to the center, always go back to the center, so that is fine. I'm gonna lock this one. And then there is this final one here. You can unlock the motor here with this little guy. And from here, if you unlock it, there, if you do that, you won't see any difference. It is when you're doing this. If it starts falling on the direction you go, that's no good. So what you want to do is to find the perfect place not just go into the other direction. So that seems fine. So from here, I'm gonna go into I'm gonna power it on, and I will see from the balance menu if everything is fine. And everything is fine. So if I move it like that, start to make it work. Oh, you see I got a pan problem here. So I would need to move it just a little bit. Pan motor was in difficulty. There's a little something here, but I work it quite hard, so that's good. Once this is all made, you will go back on the menu and you will go onto the here. Start calibration on the auto tune, and you're gonna press start calibration and just wait for it. It have to be on the table. You just let it do its calibration, and after that you're ready to go. There we go. I hope this was helpful.